This guy said that if I give him fast boats, he's giving me leopard and mammoth. So I'll see if he's joking or not. He just bought fast boats. 1 second, if I just add like something like spider or not, maybe like a portal. If I take, yeah, let's do that. If he actually accepts this, I don't think he is going to accept, because like fast boats isn't even that good. But oh, okay. I thought he was joking. Okay, I have 2 leopards now, okay. I don't have 2 leopards now and 2 mammoths now. I don't know why one of my hands broke, but now my curved dual katanas are just like this.